Okay, this is 258 North Hill Circle, Rochester. North Hill Circle, Rochester. And we're doing a recording of the sewer after the repair. The sewer starts at the very end, so 0 feet is the end of the city tap. That's what we're looking at right now. This is the part that was broken right here. This is the city main here, so end of responsibility. So here's our repair. This white pipe is the end of our repair. This is all the existing crock. So as we go negative, that's how many feet away we are from the house, or from the city tap, coming closer to the house. Cleaned that out really good. Cleaned it with a expandable cutter and everything. Those are just little hangers. And that's the end. That's the end here.